Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're asked to find the tangent line t of f of x is equal to root x at x equals 4 and use it to approximate 4.1. So, in order to do this first, we can first find the tangent line. So, if you didn't know already, the tangent line can be written as y is equal to mx minus x1 plus y1, like so. So, we are actually already provided x1 as x1 is equal to 4. Now, in order to find y1 here, we can find f of 4. So, f of 4 is equal to root 4. And this is just equal to 2. So we have our y1. Now, what about m? Well, m represents the slope. In order to find the slope, we can find the derivative first. So, f prime of x is equal to, and this can actually right here be rewritten as x to the power of 1/2. So if it's x to the power of 1/2, then this can be rewritten as 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2. And this is just equal to 1 over 2 root x. And if we want to find m at x equals 4, then we just do f prime of 4. So f prime of 4 is equal to 1 over 2 root 4, which is equal to 1 over 4. Now we can write the tangent line in, and I'll write it in orange. So the tangent line is equal to y equals 1/4 x minus 4 plus 2. This is our tangent line. Now, if we were going to use it to approximate 4.1, what we'd have to do is plug in 4.1 for x. So, y is equal to 1/4 4.1 minus 4 plus 2. And this is equal to, and then take a minute or two to calculate this in your calculator, and then write down your answer. So this is equal to 2.025. Oh, wait, and then also there's something very important here. When you are doing this step, like when you plug in 4.1, make sure you write this as an approximate, not as an actual equals, because this is just based off the tangent line equation. So make sure you write the approximate sign right here, and make sure you list this step out, because if you do an algebraic error right here, then in the calculus test, they might mark you down for a calculus error instead because you didn't show this step. As long as you showed these two steps, then you should be fine. So now that we approximated it, what we can actually do here is find out if our guess was an under approximation or over. So I'm just going to write that in. Under versus over. Well, in order to find under versus over, what we have to know is that if f double prime of x is greater than 0, then it's under, while if f double prime of x is less than 0, then it is over. Now, if we wanted to test this out, we could first find what f double prime of x is. So, if f prime of x is 1 over 2 root x, also known as 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2, then f double prime of x, and we'll write right here, f double prime of x is equal to, and then if we were to find it here, what we would actually get here is 1/2 times negative 1/2 x minus 3/2, like so. And then if we simplify this, we get negative 1 over 4 root x to the power 3. Now, we can find f double prime of 4. F double prime of 4 is equal to negative 1 over 4 root 4 cubed. Now, if you actually plug this into your calculator, which I advise you do because it's very important to, you would actually get that this is equal to negative 1 over 32. Now, I'm not sure about you, but negative 1 over 32 is definitely less than 0. And because it is less than 0, this would be an over approximation. So, over approximation. Like so. So, I hope this helped you with your homework or test. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. There is a calculus playlist listed in the description that includes other videos like this that should cover your calculus course. And as always, have a good day.